Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Forget everything you thought you knew about charcoal grilling. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 isn't just another smoker, it's a revolutionary charcoal-fueled, app-controlled powerhouse that promises to redefine convenience and flavor. It boldly claims to deliver the best of both worlds, blending authentic charcoal taste with modern, set-it-and-forget-it ease. But does this innovative grill truly live up to its ambitious claims and its premium price tag? We're diving deep to help you decide if it's a buy or a skip for your backyard. So, what exactly is the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 Smoker Grill? At its core, it's Masterbuilt's cutting-edge answer for those who crave the deep, smoky flavor of charcoal but demand the precision and hands-off experience typically found in high-end pellet grills. This isn't your traditional charcoal kettle, it's a sophisticated outdoor cooking system. It features a unique gravity-fed hopper that automatically funnels charcoal, wood chunks, or briquettes to the fire, maintaining your exact desired temperature for extended periods. It brilliantly solves the age-old challenges of inconsistent heat, constant tending, and lengthy setup times often associated with traditional charcoal cooking. Beyond its smoking capabilities, it functions as a powerful grill and even includes a full-size griddle insert, making it an incredibly versatile, all-in-one culinary station for your patio. It truly caters to every type of outdoor chef looking to elevate their game with authentic flavor and unparalleled control. Let's dive into the core features that truly set the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 apart and explain why they matter to you, the potential buyer. First, the gravity-fed hopper and digital control. This intelligent system lets you load charcoal, set your desired temperature, 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, via a digital panel or app, and the charcoal automatically feeds to maintain precision for hours. This means pellet grill-like consistency with authentic charcoal flavor, freeing you from constant tending and ensuring perfectly cooked results every time, whether you're smoking low and slow or searing at high heat. Next up, app connectivity and intelligent monitoring. Control your grill from anywhere with your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Monitor food temperatures with the included probe, adjust settings, and get alerts when your meal is ready, all without being tethered to the grill. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.